Before I tell you about my manufacturing unit, I want to start with a small truth. If you are a new clothing brand, you already know this, but nobody says it out loud. Starting a brand is not difficult, finding the right manufacturer is. You come with a dream, you come with excitement, you come with a design you love. But the moment you start searching for a manufacturer, reality hits you very hard. They ask for minimum 1000 pieces. They say we don't work with small orders. They deliver in 3 to 6 months. Sometimes they don't even reply. Your message stays on scene, or worse, they just ignore it. And slowly, that excitement you had, the passion you had, it turns into stress. You start doubting your idea. You start thinking maybe your idea is too small. Maybe you are not ready. Maybe this industry is not for beginners. I know this feeling because I lived it myself. When I started, I contacted so many manufacturers. I messaged them politely. I explained my idea. I told them I wanted to start with a small quantity, and almost every single time, silence, no reply, no support, no guidance. There were days I honestly felt like giving up, not because of my idea, but because nobody was willing to support the beginning of my journey. And that's when something clicked inside me. I realized the real problem is not that beginners don't have money. The real problem is that beginners don't get support. No one opens the door for them. No one gives them a chance to start. So I decided to build a manufacturing unit that works differently. A unit that focuses on small and growing brands. A unit where even 30 pieces matter. A unit where your message gets a reply. A unit where your idea are respected and not rejected. In my unit, we believe every brand deserves a fair start. It does not matter if you want 30 pieces or 100 pieces. Your order is treated with the same seriousness as a big order. We help you choose the right fabric. We make your samples quickly. We give you photo and video updates during the production. We deliver on time, and most importantly, we communicate clearly. No excuse, no disappearing, no stress, because this industry does not need more factories. It needs more support, more honesty, more people who actually care about the beginners. I built this unit to be that support, a place where your small order is not a burden, a place where your journey finally starts, a place where your dream is not judged by your quantity. So, if you are a new brand and you don't know where to start, don't worry, you don't need to know everything. That's my job. You just need your idea and the courage to take the first step. I will guide you through the rest. This was day one, the reality of why most small brands struggle and the reason why manufacturing unit exists. If you want day two, where I explain exactly how you can place your first order with low MOQ, comment day two. Your dream deserves support, and I am here to give you that support.